In industrial automation, the demands for efficiency, flexibility, and reliability are constantly increasing. At the same time, installation spaces are becoming more limited, and the time frames for commissioning are getting shorter. This places high demands on connection technology, both in the control cabinet and in the field. Our connectivity portfolio offers a comprehensive and practical range of solutions that are precisely tailored to meet these challenges. In the control cabinet, POS-HX ensures especially fast, tool-free wiring. For conductor cross-sections from 0.34 to 25 square millimeters, the XT1.5 is ideal for mini signals and low-power applications. For device connections, XPC comes into play as a PCB connector in 1.5 and 2.5 square millimeters. This is complemented by the pre-assembled PT fixed distribution blocks, which allow for ready-to-use potential distribution without manual bridging. For interfaces with high loads, our heavy-duty connectors, especially the Heavicon modular, are the ideal choice. Here, push-in technology meets click and latching, making wiring from the control cabinet to the field completely tool-free. The tool-free frame enables a significant reduction in installation time at this point. In tight spaces, we score points with push-pull technology. The M12 connectors allow for a straightforward and secure connection even when space is limited. For the first time, a hybrid connector is now available in this size. M17 standardized according to IEC. The M17 Pro hybrid combines signals, data, and power. And with the one-click quick locking system, we're taking it a step further. For maximum flexibility and especially fast connections, our solutions reduce installation times, minimize sources of error, and increase system availability. Future-proof connection technology, consistently from the control cabinet to the field level. Feel free to follow us on our social media channels or visit our website for more information.